sisters, come up today to paint. Fu Yu has returned to this makeup. I think the face is really special and looks good. The whole thing is the kind of cat-style small-faced panda with this blush at the moment. It's just that there is an ice glue honey. If you want to try it before makeup, you should use this 3 free face cream spray. The fog is still thin. Then for this one, I'll color it up and down first. This face is still a little dark. First of all, sometimes I use this blue when I'm lazy here. But I don't think it still works. I still need a separate green to cover it. Red nose. It's quite serious. Use a puff and slowly pat it open. It looks like the color block is quite big, but in fact it doesn't feel pink. If you buy it, it is still very natural. This effect. After painting now, the face will be much brighter. I want to record the inside of this brown sugar gift box with the upper and lower base makeup and apply this foundation. This color number is better than mine. The one that is white should be a little bit. Take a look. Drive him away quickly. I don't feel like this in vain. Let's take a look at this base makeup. It's really very white. It feels like it only needs to be small. Let me highlight the scope mainly. Ours. In the face. Take this piece of face here and take it to take a look. If I brighten it, it's all here. Take the powder at one end and then pat it open with the other end, so that the painting is not too heavy. This base makeup is still very dry. Net, and then it's our facelift, because since this makeup is very photogenic, I have this. Do you want to take out his nose or use it? This one. Let's use this for a double-headed facelift first. The first one is a neutral gray-brown. Let's determine the approximate location of the nasal shadow first. Use the bridge of the nose here. After refinement, depict the part of the nose and the bridge of the nose which has a slight double C feeling. Earlier, my dear. Wear whole grain brains. We'll use the wire first, then this. The matching brush is pressed from point to point and then placed out. The old fun pop arts of the Halloween edition. If it is on the side of the face, we can use a little force. The paste is still very moist. It's good, it's over. All. It blends with our base makeup. This color is more natural and it is easy to hide, so it will not turn red but gray. It well describes our bone appearance. Hey, I think the words on the small head side are not for brightening the makeup powder carving. Orange brown. You can use it to draw agio saliva. And this can also be aimed first. Take a look, and then I'll draw a picture of a man with it here. You can shorten the atrium and the whole thing is more kitten feeling. Under the lips, it is still slowly smudged from the pinch. Put on the blush before using it, it looks like an ash powder. Color without powder. Pounce on it and take a look. He still won't ruin the base makeup. You can use it with confidence. I didn't pay much attention when laying here. The method is to the side of the face. Just don't give the full strand belt to the face. And this is where it gets a little bit deeper, because his blush range is still quite large at the moment, so we should also put a little bit on the bridge of the nose. Then you can set the makeup partially, and then use the CT piece. This is very beautiful. The inside is also very beautiful. You can use this small brush to determine. From the eyebrows. I'll start with a dark brown for the eyebrows. Are his eyebrows orange? But my hair is bigger than... It's deeper, so we changed it a little bit. If you click on this eyebrow shape, it is still flat and thrown away. Then with a gray-brown lid knife, the eyebrow pencil will fill in the vacancy of this eyebrow shape for him, and it doesn't mean how strong the hair flu is. Use another one. For the pink-brown eyebrow dye cream and eye makeup part, use this light color to give the eyelids a base first. Then let's use this gray pink one, wait a minute, this color, and put this color on the eyelids. If you want a block, you can make it a little bigger, because today's eye makeup is also very enlarged and the lower eyeshadow part of the eyes is also described. Once. Head this. It must take a second. We choose this color to smudge it in case it is our double eyelid folds. Just smudge it and see brown, gray, and blue, and then I'll find the false eyelashes first. If I am here, let's take a look at the one posted together. I think it's still more restorative, and then we fill it with eyeliner from the upper end of the eye here. And then we go straight to the drawing, pull out the eyeliner. Again, fill this gap on it. The small cotton swab handles this detail, so simple. If you are single, let's deal with the eyeshadow part. It feels a little red to me. First, trace it with this red glue pen. Then use a small clean brush to smudge it. We brush the lower eyelashes first. Well, I don't like to stick this lower eyelash very much recently. They are all brushed black liquid pens. Please trace the inner line for it. Oh, the middle of the eyelid, here we can adorn it with a light gray. Take a look at the lower eyelashes. This eye makeup is very enlarged. I will quickly finish painting the eyes here. After the makeup is done, you can order the makeup now. I feel that it also has a little bit of a pod bullet hit effect, so press it. The T-zone, just to highlight here, includes the entire T-zone. The grooming of the bridge of the nose is slightly emphasized. Use this for your eyes. If the block is let out in vain, it is not so suitable, you see? It's really bright. The entire forehead is instantly shiny and direct. Wipe your face with highlights and then trace the lip line like this. Just the mouth. Ba is a little too full, and then I want to ask about this nude color in the mouth first. To make a bottom line, I'd better ask this one from MC. Have some umbrellas and I'll use them again. This color is used as a dish. Put the whole makeup belt like this, and then go and get your hair done.